Well, hey everyone. Hope you're having a great day out there. My name is Warren Howe. So, today we'll be talking about the truth of the stock market. Yep, here's the truth about the stock market and what I think 90% of the people in there, or mostly reflected on retail investors and retail traders, are what is their perception of the stock market. Yep, the truth is they're all treating it as a casino. Yep, they're treating things like a casino. Whatever that they do, whatever that they buy, the reason why they buy, they do not have good buy or sell plans. They do not strategize on their investments. They do not know about portfolio management. They do not know about how to when to exit, when to enter. Yep, they lose out when the market is going down because they cannot stomach volatility. They do not have a plan to grow their net worth eventually, and they have not even identified how much they want their net worth to be. So the fact is, people are actually treating the stock market like a casino. Now, this is a chart of the S&P 500. In case you guys don't know what's an S&P 500, it is an index that tracks down 500 of the largest companies' performance. It is an average statistical measure of the stock prices, right, of those 500 companies. Now, the S&P 500 is huge. That's why it's considered as an index. It's a healthy performance indicator that whether or not the market is doing good or doing bad, because the market cap of these 500 companies is half of all the equities combined in the world. Yeah, worldwide. Yeah, so the truth about stock market is that it's easy to lose and it's easy to profit at the same time. Now we have a trading platform, be it eToro or IBKR Interactive Brokers or Robinhood. We have all trading platforms that is easy to use because all we have to do either to buy or sell is just be clicking on those buttons. Yep, you place an order for Apple, you place an order for Planet 13, for example. You key in 10,000 stock shares, and you click buy at whatever price it is at the moment. Now, so what I'm trying to say is that everything is so accessible in a way that people misuse that, and they get emotional after they have placed a buy. Yeah, because it's easy to profit 20%, but it's also easy to lose 50% during a market crash. Now again, if we have not identified our buy plan, if we have not identified our sell plan, how long do we want to hold it? Why are you buying this business in the first place? Why are you buying a piece of this business in the first place? People who do not have this thinking will be eventually losing out in the stock market. Yep, so it's easy to profit 20%, but it's also very easy to lose because the fact is the stock market is very risky. It's very risky. The only game that we have to understand is that we have to understand we are investing in businesses. We have to manage those risks, not avoid those risks. Yep. So the gamblers, they'll be timing the market. What does that mean? It means that there'll be a flock of news right now. In fact, it's happening right now as we speak. Yep. Market analysts, market professionals are saying that there will be a market crash next year or even this year soon. Yep. So what do people do when they gamble? They sell straight away, they get 100% cash, and they do not know what is the next strategy moving forward. They're simply relying on other people's news or other people's analysis before they make a decision. Yep. So if you are timing the market over the long run, sad to say is we will lose money in the long term. We will lose money eventually. Yep. So stocks are risky again. There is no question. They are risky. This is an asset class that is underestimated or overestimated by people simply because we have that flexibility of getting out of a position easily rather than actual owning a private business. Yeah. So people misuse that and they buy straight away, they sell, they lose 10%, they sell. Yep, they are buying a potentially good company for long term, right? Good fundamental company over the long term, but they sell after they lose 30%. Now, is this investing or is this gambling? Yep, these are very important points to take note, right? Mindset. The next thing is that a lot of people, they're they're determining their investments on rumors. Yep, on rumors or following people, right? Maybe listening to YouTube and simply buying because of that, not doing relevant due diligence, not doing relevant analysis. Sorry, you see goring there. Goring basically means flying up. Yep, flying up high for people, institutions, or what we call market movers that are manipulating the stock prices, right? That is what we call goring in Malaysia. Yep, we goring the stock so that the stock price will fly up 50% in a day. But after that, just because it's on hype, they have no fundamental value, you see stocks dropping 30% or even 70% the next following day. Yep. If we are constantly depending on this to make money in the stock market, sad to say, we will lose money over the long term. Yep. So you got S&P 500, the chart looking nicely. Yep. Ever since 1894, the S&P 500 has been going up 79,000%. Now, with the S&P 500 going up, this begs the question again. Yeah, we identified this before in our lives. Yeah, Facebook Live. Why are people still losing money? Why are people losing money even though the S&P 500 has been going up, up, up? Yeah, people are gambling, right? That's the fact. They are not considering all these things, right? They are not considering all these risks. They're not considering risk management, portfolio management, and the building thesis or analysis on the stocks that they love. Yep. So, could it be a result that people do not invest in themselves enough? Yep. They eventually, to be a better investor, we need to burn our hands, right? We need to be testing out the market. We need to be retesting our strategies, executing. And me personally, I've been paying heavy tuition fees over the years. Yep, burning my hands on options, stocks, forex. Yep. So I have identified what is the best asset class that I will live in and be constantly reinvesting in before I retire, right? So that that wealth can be compounded over the years to come. Right? I understand that, but do people understand that? Are they treating this as a gamble and buying stocks today, selling tomorrow with no strategy? Yep. So I hope you got some value out of this. Positioning ourselves and understanding the stock market so that we do not be gamblers. We want to be investors at the end of the day. My name is Warren Howe. I have a family office. I'm a full-time investor. I run a 7-figure portfolio here in Malaysia. Yep. I also run my own coaching programs. So hope you got some value out of this today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.